Okay.
Okay. So
Wait, come on, show the pod.
For the first time ever, we're gonna use Westmore Beauty Bronze Body Makeup.
I love how you said for the first time ever.
It's bronze, that's the color.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so I really care about the clothes that I'm gonna wear today, so I wanna make sure this doesn't transfer onto the clothes.
Okay, so so you're just putting it on your chest right now so that when we get our makeup done, it matches.
Correct.
Okay.
All right, I'm just gonna start with using a little bit and then I'm gonna use more.
Okay.
All right, because I don't wanna waste it, because,
Yeah, so
it's
just
expensive.
just do it how we, just, oh wow, that's dark.
Yeah, but we wanna be tan, right? Okay.
Well, yeah.
Oh wow, this is like thick.
The lotion is thick?
Yeah. The other lotions that we used before, it goes on like really like liquidy. This is not liquidy at all.
It goes on like kind of dry.
It goes on like it's not going anywhere right now. It just went on like.
I love how it's
that's
like
what it is.
on your.
Yeah, you can really see the difference. So when we get our makeup done, we have our foundation color match this color. All right. That I used that little tiny drop and it did this much.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna use one more little drop just for fun. Look, that's how much I use. That's how much I use.
Okay, just put it here and mix it, I guess. Wow, that's so legit. I was worried because this bottle's kind of small.
You don't need that much.
But apparently we don't need that much.
A little goes a long way.
Okay.
Oh wow, this is not going anywhere.
I'm really excited.
I'm really excited too. So we wanted to try this because it's a new brand. It's got really good reviews and it literally says won't transfer onto clothes.
So that's why we're trying it.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's a big difference.
Yeah. All right. So you can see that too. All right. So we'll get our makeup done, and hopefully this doesn't get on our clothes. Once our makeup's done, then we'll put this everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yay!
It looks really good.
Yeah, it looks great.
Ah!
Let's see.
That is a legit difference. That is a legit. Here, stand next to me, Diva. And then the mirror reflection. That is a legit difference.
Yes, Diva.
Yeah, we can see your back.
So it's legit.
Yeah, you can see my back.
Okay, totally.
All right, let's do this. Thank
All
you.
right, let's part.
And look, the body lotion on the other ones. Come up closer, Diva. The body lotion on the other ones, I was able to take it because it was more liquidy, take it and then put it on my hand. This goes on so dry and right away, like it is legit not going anywhere. Like look at my hands. Totes. Yeah,
Okay.
that's crazy.
Word.
Yeah. Do the nails again, Loretta. Show the nails again like this.
Oh.
And do this to the camera. Go on, let me see them. Go down a little. Yeah. It's just a little, yeah.
ASMR for you.
Yeah, the nails are just a little foggy. Okay.
So Loretta's tan and almost done beat, and I am not.
Yeah. But we're going to put the tan lotion on you right now.
You zoom out.
There we
There
go.
it is.
Yeah. This lotion goes on. It literally goes on. We need to get the applicator.
Okay.
Yeah, because this other lotion, not to contrast and compare, but this lotion is a lot more liquidy. So you put it on, it's like really like you're putting on body lotion. This is like you're putting on makeup.
Yeah. This feels
Like-
more like makeup. Totally.
Yeah, so I know you don't need the applicator for it, but I think,
Could try it.
yeah, we should get the applicator. It's the first time we're doing it, so totally. But look at our skin color difference. Like, this is bronze, and it's absolutely incredible. Like, usually, like, with this, like, I'll be able to take the makeup and, like, go through my fingers. I can't do it with this. This is makeup, and it does not go anywhere. All right, come closer, Glam. All right. So we're gonna put the tan lotion on you and get you glam now.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, you gotta do it right away. That gets dry so quickly.
Yeah, girl, totes.
That is makeup, and that
Yeah.
is literally not going anywhere.
No, it's not. Yeah, let's try to get the applicator. Let's see
I
how
knew
that
it. I
works.
told you. Look at our shoulder color difference.
Yeah, let's try it with the applicator. See
I 100% agree.
how we feel.
Yeah,
Wow.
I know. I know.
Okay. I love it.
I love it too. That is not getting on our clothes, Diva.
Doesn't feel like it.
All right. Look, I put on a sweatshirt. It's not, none of it is on my sweatshirt. Yes, I know it's black, but it's so legit. Yeah, it's crazy legit.
Gotta rub it in. Yeah, the applicator for sure. That would probably
Yeah.
help us.
No, there's hand lotion. It would get on black. It would get on everything. This, psh, add it on for 2 minutes, and then I put the sweatshirt on.
Okay. Yay!
Super. Okay.
Yay, Diva's getting her foundation on. Totally matching.
Blending in the makeup and the tan lotion.
Bury that.
Sparkles. Mm-hmm.
Is my hair all messed up? Do I look okay?
No, you look
We
great.
didn't do my hair yet, so it's not.
Yeah, but the blush going is just so
Okay.
bomb. And your eye sparkles.
I love it. Does my hair look okay?
One step at a time, my diva.
Totally.
We're gonna do our ponies after.
Progress.
Yeah. Ava, tan, glam, ponies, just.
Tan, glam, pony, done. Is that
Dress.
Gym, tan,
Oh.
laundry.
Gym, tan, laundry.
Jim GTL.
Yeah. Yeah.
Totally.
Yeah.
That's all the way up.
That's funny. Glam divas. And we're both tan now.
Yes.
Yeah, come close. Close. Yay. Okay, so now Sasha Colby ponies
And then we get dressed.
and earrings. Totally.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. I love this makeup. Look, come here.
Yeah, Kim nailed it.
Yeah, she did. Look, go. Look at the sparkles. Close your eyes, Diva. Wow.
Subtle. This is subtle.
No, this
This is us. This is us doing natural makeup.
I love
This
it.
is us doing natural makeup.
All right, let's get the ponies. All right. Sandy Dunes, 40-inch, Sasha Colby, Salon extensions. Gorgeous. Oh my God, look at this.
I'm a,
Stand up, Diva, stand up. And hold this behind you. Yeah. Oh my. That is so gorgeous. Okay.
okay.
All right. Bobby pins, donut. We already sprayed our hair, so it's super chic. All right, let's do it. Okay. Okay.
Just putting bobby pins in my hair to make it.
That's it. So,
Loretta always holds the phone. Here, you take the phone.
I
feel weird looking at it. Wow.
see how much a difference a ponytail
I'm
makes?
a different person.
You are, and you're brighter because of that blonde. It's a
Yeah.
good pony.
Yeah. I think this might be my favorite pony.
Yeah. Let's brush her.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, we'll put mine in. Okay.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Mm. Okay.
Come closer, Diva. There you go. Oh my God, I love this.
Yeah, me too.
All right, let's do it. Wait, let's go into the mirror. Go into the mirror.
Okay, we're going into the mirror.
Well, Eva, talk to us about the mirror.
We got a big mirror. It's the first time we're using it, so we're very excited.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Touch the light, Eva.
The socks take it home.
Oh, touch the light so they see.
Cam, you want to come in and say hi?
Ah, this is Cam. She did our makeup. Thank you, Cam.
You're welcome.
All right, now we're gonna film our Curia YouTube Shorts and TikToks. Okay. Very excited. I love this outfit.
I know. I do.
We're like totally twinning. Here's our other outfits. Denim. More denim. Bling. More denim. Matching. Okay. You ready? You see, Cam, I see you in reflection in the mirror.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
That we're centered, Popo. So start from the same place. So we can... Are we centered? Hold on. Are we centered? We're centered right now? Okay. Get... And just lift your hair. So... You have to look at me.
That was good.
But that actually
was
is
good.
good.
She said, "Don't whip your hair. Do something else."
Yeah.
That actually. All right, so go, let's go. And then just pose, and then just keep posing. Yeah, okay. Okay, that actually really did whip me in the face again.
That's right. Do it one more time.
Okay. Oh my god. All right.
It looks really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it.
All right, this is half one outfit and then half the outfit we just had on.
Change my shape.
But that looks really good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
This is the other look. Denim. And then Ava, go into the mirror so you see. That's cool.
Oh, that's cute.
So cute, Tifa.
Okay, it's rolling.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, ready? Yeah. Zip up the pockets. Zip up the pockets. Okay, ready? Okay. Yeah. You ready? All right, 5, 6. Down.